Try mixing olive oil with honey. Let it sit overnight, and you'll find it indispensable for life. This potent combination can dramatically change your life and your well-being with their amazing benefits, as long as you follow every single instruction outlined in this video. The key is to get your hands on the purest and most organic of the mixtures outlined in this video. Let's get started. Once upon a time, there lived a young boy named OG. OG was quiet and very shy. The only person he wasn't shy around was his mother. They would travel to different locations on adventures together, and it was the happiest moment of his life. OG's father died when he was a baby from type 2 diabetes and chest infection, so he never got to meet him. One day, OG's mother began to get ill. She also had type 2 diabetes, which was getting worse by the day. As days passed, she also began to develop infection just like his dad. OG and his mother were so afraid and quickly started visiting different doctors and spent all their money trying to find a solution for her condition. But all the health professionals kept saying the same thing. She was given medication, like insulin and metformin. After spending all their money on treatments, they became poor and could barely afford food. Not long after that, OG's mother could not do those fun activities with him anymore. After a while, the young man started to lose hope, full of pain and sadness for his mother's condition. One day he heard about the wise old sage who lived at the top of the tallest hill in the small town. The master was so knowledgeable about both herbal and modern treatments that many people from all over the world traveled to see him. Determined to get help for his mother, OG traveled 3 days to get to the town. He climbed up the hill and found the temple where the sage resided. With eager eyes and a painful heart, OG approached the master and asked, "Great sage, I have traveled from afar to see you. My mother has type 2 diabetes and nobody is able to help us. I'm afraid because my father had the same condition before he died. We have tried everything, spent all our money, but nothing seems to work. Life is very difficult for us right now. Oh, great sage, please help me. Teach me how I can help my mother fight this so I don't lose her." The master, a gentle old man with a twinkle in his eye, smiled at OG and said, "Dear child, do not be saddened. Be calm. I will help you get what you desire today. I will show you the right way to prepare a mixture that you can use to get your mother back to her old self. These herbs, if used correctly according to my description, will help heal from this condition." So the master began his lesson. You've likely heard of olive oil and honey, but have you ever tried them together? Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you consume this powerful blend daily? Both ingredients are renowned for their natural properties, making them an excellent solution for preventing and protecting against a multitude of diseases. Most people are unaware of the incredible benefits of mixing olive oil and honey. When combined, these ingredients offer essential benefits that many people need. Extra virgin olive oil is celebrated as one of the healthiest oils, enriched with vital compounds such as monounsaturated fatty acids, polyphenols, and a host of essential nutrients and vitamins. Honey, with its natural sweetness primarily derived from glucose, is valued not only for its flavor, but also for the numerous health benefits it offers in its pure form. It contains extracts from various medicinal plants consumed by bees, providing antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. Moreover, honey acts as an effective solvent that prevents reactions with the components of olive oil, ensuring that their combined properties and health benefits are maintained for over 2 months. Blending olive oil with honey creates a potent mix of nutritional and medicinal benefits. First, let's discuss its ability to significantly boost your immune system. Honey is not just a sweet treat. It's a powerhouse of essential nutrients, including calcium, magnesium, and iron, which are vital for maintaining strong immune function. Olive oil complements this by providing a rich content of monounsaturated fats, such as oleic acid. These fats, along with the polyphenols and antioxidants in olive oil, play a critical role in fortifying the immune system. Together, These ingredients supply your body with crucial vitamins and minerals needed to enhance immune response, contributing to a more powerful defense mechanism. This enhanced fortification of the immune system is crucial for more effectively fighting a wide range of germs and viruses, helping in the prevention and recovery from common illnesses like colds and flu. By incorporating these natural substances into your diet, you equip your body with the necessary tools to combat various health challenges. Secondly, this blend enhances your digestive health. It aids digestion, soothes the stomach, alleviates heartburn and acid reflux, treats constipation and bloating, and promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, it supports liver health by improving enzyme function, preventing fat accumulation, and combating viruses that cause hepatitis, thereby preventing them from spreading to healthy cells and keeping the liver healthy. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that the phenolic compounds in olive oil stimulate bile production, which is beneficial for digestion, particularly in the breakdown and absorption of fats. The study also highlighted honey's soothing effects on the stomach and its role in treating digestive issues such as acid reflux, thanks to its antibacterial properties that can reduce infections in the stomach lining. Another study in the Iranian Journal of Basic Medical Sciences suggests that honey's laxative effect can help alleviate constipation by drawing water into the colon, which softens stools. Olive oil, being a natural lubricant, assists in easing the passage of stool, thus reducing bloating and discomfort. Together, these properties make the blend of olive oil and honey a powerful remedy for improving digestive health. Next, let's discuss the third benefit: how this natural remedy can aid in weight loss and fat burning. Olive oil is rich in essential fatty acids like oleic acid, which specifically targets fat deposits in areas such as the abdomen, buttocks, and sides. This targeting helps break down excess fat accumulated in these regions. Additionally, olive oil stimulates the production of various hormones, including peptide hormones, which are crucial for controlling hunger. These hormones help reduce appetite and extend feelings of fullness after meals, preventing overeating. Moreover, honey significantly improves the digestive process. By enhancing digestion, honey helps your body process food more efficiently, speeding up your metabolism. A faster metabolism burns calories at a higher rate, thereby aiding in weight loss. The fourth benefit is boosting cardiovascular health. The combination of honey and olive oil plays a significant role in heart health. It helps lower the risk of heart disease and prevents clot formation by enhancing blood flow through the blood vessels. Additionally, it aids in reducing levels of harmful cholesterol and maintaining the health of arteries and veins, which improves overall blood circulation. This benefit is largely due to the antioxidant properties of both honey and olive oil, which work to reduce oxidative stress on cardiovascular tissues. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory effects of these ingredients help reduce the inflammation that can lead to cardiovascular complications. By integrating honey and olive oil into your diet, you are not only improving the structural health of your blood vessels, but also supporting efficient and healthy blood flow. This is important for maintaining a healthy heart and preventing cardiovascular diseases. Benefit number 5 is addressing inflammatory conditions. Honey is rich in flavonoids, and olive oil is loaded with polyphenols, making this combination a potent source of biologically active antioxidants. These properties make the mixture an effective natural remedy for fighting various inflammatory diseases throughout the body, including arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. The antioxidants in honey and olive oil work synergistically to mitigate the effects of inflammation in the joints and other affected areas. This can lead to a reduction in pain and an increase in mobility for people suffering from these conditions. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory effects of this combination extend beyond just managing symptoms. They also help to protect the body's cells from the oxidative damage that can accelerate the progression of chronic inflammatory diseases. Benefit number 6 is improving cognitive function and preventing Alzheimer's disease. Regular consumption of this honey and olive oil mixture plays a crucial role in boosting memory, and combating Alzheimer's disease. Whether you are already affected by Alzheimer's or are taking precautions against it, the powerful antioxidants in the mixture help fight free radicals that contribute to aging and the development of Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, both olive oil and honey are high in potassium and magnesium, crucial nutrients with beneficial effects on brain functions. These elements support neural health by promoting better electrical conduction in neurons and protecting the brain against oxidative stress. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of both ingredients can help reduce brain inflammation, which is linked to cognitive decline. Regular inclusion of this mixture in your diet can improve overall mental acuity and provide a protective effect against the onset and progression of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Benefit 7. Increasing your energy levels. This blend is exceptionally beneficial for both men and women, quickly energizing your body and providing a sustained boost that lasts throughout the day. After consuming this mixture, you will feel rejuvenated and ready to tackle various activities thanks to its stimulating properties. Additionally, it supports robust blood circulation and maintains the health of blood vessels, effectively combating fatigue, lethargy, and mental strain. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research shows that honey provides a quick source of energy. It contains natural sugars such as fructose and glucose, which are rapidly absorbed by the body to provide an immediate energy boost. Honey is an effective ergogenic aid that helps enhance athletic performance by maintaining blood sugar levels during exercise, ensuring a sustained energy supply. Benefit 8. Preventing cancer. This mixture is rich in flavonoids and phenols, potent antioxidants that help cleanse the body of free radicals, which are a primary cause of cancer development. These antioxidants also help curb the development of cancer cells, particularly in cases like breast cancer, by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. This mixture reduces oxidative stress, a significant factor in the mutation of cells that can lead to cancer. Regular consumption of this antioxidant-rich mixture may therefore contribute to a lower risk of cancer, reinforcing your body's defenses against this serious health threat. Benefit 9. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. The combination of olive oil and honey serves as a natural antibiotic without negative side effects. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide, known for its ability to eliminate microbes, viruses, and fungi within the body. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil has components that can destroy harmful bacteria such as Helicobacter pylori, which is linked to stomach cancer and ulcers. Multiple studies have shown that regular consumption of this mixture can eliminate this bacteria within just a few weeks. Benefit 10. Improving skin and hair. Health regularly consuming this mixture as well as applying it topically offers numerous benefits for your skin and hair. When applied to the skin for 30 minutes, it can lighten the complexion, fade dark spots caused by aging, and reduce the appearance of aging signs by nourishing and firming the skin. It also enhances skin freshness and clarity, helping to eliminate common issues like blackheads and acne. Applying this mixture to the scalp and hair ends for 30 minutes can reduce hair loss, boost hair strength, vitality and sheen, and prevent hair breakage. Benefit 11. Stabilizing blood sugar levels. Honey, despite being a natural sugar, has a more favorable glycemic index compared to regular sugar, which means it causes a lesser increase in blood sugar levels. Combined with the healthy fats in olive oil, it can help moderate blood sugar spikes after meals, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. Benefit 12. Improving mood and combating depression. This mixture works together to enhance your mental well-being. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, supports brain health and reduces oxidative stress, which is crucial for mood regulation. The antioxidants in olive oil protect the brain from cellular damage and maintain the integrity of neural pathways essential for emotional stability. The anti-inflammatory properties of both honey and olive oil also play a crucial role in mood enhancement, as chronic inflammation is often associated with depressive symptoms. How to prepare and use the health-boosting mixture of honey and olive oil. To fully benefit from this powerful mixture, it's important to prepare and use it correctly. Here's how. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Instructions: mix the honey and olive oil thoroughly until they form a smooth, consistent blend. For consumption, take this mixture once daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach, to maximize absorption and benefits. For topical use. Skin. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This can help lighten the complexion, fade dark spots, and reduce signs of aging. Hair. Apply to the scalp and hair ends, leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. This can reduce hair loss, boost hair strength, vitality, and sheen, and prevent hair breakage. Incorporating this mixture into your daily routine can provide numerous health benefits, from stabilizing blood sugar levels to enhancing mood and mental well-being. Step-by-step preparation. Heat the water. Start by heating 100 milliliters of water until it is warm. Ensure it is not boiling. Add honey. Stir in 2 tablespoons of natural honey until it fully dissolves in the warm water. Blend in olive oil. Mix in 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil thoroughly. Let it sit. Allow this mixture to sit overnight to achieve a uniform consistency. This blend is remarkably stable and can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 months without losing its benefits. This stability is due to honey's excellent solvent properties, which prevent any interaction between the mixture's components. Storage tips. Olive oil container. Ensure that the olive oil is stored in a non-transparent container to shield it from light. Exposure to light can trigger photooxidation, forming peroxide molecules that degrade the oil's beneficial fatty acids. How to use. To fully benefit from this mixture, consume a spoonful on an empty stomach each morning about 30 minutes before breakfast. Within just a few days, you will begin to feel revitalized and full of energy. Maximizing health benefits. To maximize the health benefits, it is crucial to select high-quality ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, natural honey. Ensure the honey is untempered, avoiding pasteurized versions that lack some nutritional value. This careful selection and preparation can significantly enhance your wellness. Conclusion. As the master concludes his lesson, OG thanked him and ran home to his mother to start implementing this into his daily routine, eager to experience the health benefits firsthand. So friends, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos.